Hello, I am going to answer the question of the task 9 final task describing my leads self-evaluation. 1. Personal information. What's your full name? My name is Juliana Garcia Lugo. Where are you from? I am from Colombia. How old are you? I am 22 years old. What is your email address? My email is julianagarcialu5@gmail.com. What do you do? I am auxiliary odontology. Where do you like? I live in the municipality of Valparaiso, Caquetá. Describe the place where you live. The place where I live is a quiet place very away from the city. The flowers adorn the patio of our house. The neighbors are people kind, collaborator, and bold. We all help each other, and do it is done more pleasant living in a place like this. Personality. What are your hobbies? My favorite hobby is swim at midday in the river. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is the rice Chinese. What's your favorite movie week? My favorite movie is The Lion King because it has funny sad scenes and it's suitable for our all audience. What's your favorite book week? My favorite book is the Bible because told amazing stories that happened in the time of Christ. Also told about justice, contain reflection, advice for young, senior, and adults. Routines and weekend plans. My day starts at 6 o'clock p.m. I get up at 6:30 p.m. I take a shower at 7 o'clock a.m. I take a breakfast then at 8 o'clock a.m. I am going to work. I get up 12 o'clock p.m. to have lunch. Inside at 2 o'clock p.m. and I look at 6 o'clock p.m. and I going to for me home. Later I do homework of the university and so ends my day. What do you usually do on weekends? Usually I do on weekends is do homework of the university and at midday share with my family. A significant person is your life. That person is my mother. She is 36 years old. It's short, it's fat, has black eyes, recognized short black hair, that skin, longer face, thin lips, and a small mouth. My mother is honest, a counselor. She is generous, kind, talkative, hardworking, but also is selfish and loses your temper. She is an excellent homemaker. A happy moment of my life was when I benefited from the Generation E program because I did not have a job and did not know how to get money to continue my study. This happened in 2020. An event that was frustrating for me was to feel the earthquake. At that moment, I only thought about my parents and brothers. The event did not affect although I believe in God that scared me and make me think many things. This happened in 2014.